Hello everybody, so today I'm very excited to be reviewing the BMW M4. You can see the 4 Series as normal coffee. This is normal coffee which you would have because you don't want something too strong. This would be the M4. The M4 would be strong coffee because you want strong performance. This is exactly what the M4 will deliver to you. The BMW M4 starts at a price of 93,000 euros. However, this particular BMW M4 costs 104,000 euros. Now, some of you will think, oh, that's a waste of money. However, I beg to differ. I think this is money well spent. And I'm going to show you where that money is being spent in this BMW M4. I'm going to start with the front. I really like how they've designed the front. It looks very, very nice. It's very nice, guys. You just have to admire how they've done the aerodynamic approach here. I also like how it looks to me like shutters, the front grille. It looks very nice, and it's a proud M4 competition logo right there. You just have to admire the side, how they've styled it. I like how you have this line that goes all the way to the rear. It's very nice. And then you have another sort of vent looking thing here with M4 competition written on it. One thing I have to confess is that I really like the color. They've done a really good job with the color, and also the choice of color goes very well with this M4. The BMW coupes also have a strong name in the drifting community, and this M4 is no different. This M4 is just like its other classmates in the drifting class. Another aspect to admire is how they've still stuck to the rear-wheel drive transmission, whereas most brands have either got all-wheel drive transmissions or they tend to go front-wheel drive mainly, but BMW has really honored its own commitment. They've really continued what they've started, impressing the drifters, impressing the sport boys, people who like to sport a lot. That's me. And also, I really like how they've styled this window. It looks like, again, like I've mentioned before, is a teardrop effect. Another thing worth mentioning is how you have this carbon spoiler on the rear boot. It's very nice. So guys, believe it or not, this roof is made of carbon, guys. This is another unique thing about the M4 that really helps it stand out from the other 4 Series. I'm inside the BMW M4, and I can already tell you right now that the thing that makes the BMW M4 special is how this is old school. A lot of things about it is old school. You're not buying this car for the aesthetics 100%. You're not buying this car for environmental values or economic values. You're buying this car for performance. And this is exactly what it delivers. Great performance. I like how everything is at its logical layout, guys, and this is really, really nice. Oh, by the way, this sound you just heard was actually the gesture control. I don't know. I like this. I like how it has a lot of innovative features. And another thing I have to point out about BMW, and I say this all the time, is that they always give technology that really aid the driving pleasure, that really give help to the driving, like the gesture control and everything. This wouldn't be the car for speed. I think the real purpose of the M4 was really for the drifting community, because now every time I think of the BMW M4, I don't really think of it rivaling the Ferrari or Maserati or something. I think of it rivaling the Nissan GT-R. My only complaint about this interior, though, is how they've kind of done a little too much with the carbon fiber trim. I think the carbon fiber trim goes perfectly right here and right here. That was the best location for the carbon fiber trim. But to have so much carbon fiber right here. This is the interior of the BMW M4. I already love this digital screen. It looks like a video game. And also you have all the controls here, here. Already what I like about it is how it just feels and looks naturally very sporty. That's great. It's just my only complaint would be how they've kind of overdone with the carbon trim right there. But it's okay. I mean, I feel like aluminum trim would have gone better. Or if they offer wood trims, that's even better, because I'm a fan of wooden trims. But it's okay. It's still good nonetheless. Just my only thought would be that this looks a bit like something I've seen on previous generations. This window button. It looks a bit old school, but it's good. It was really impressive. I like how they've done it. It's a bit old school, but that's the point of this car, I've noticed. A reoccurring theme is that it really takes you back to where it started. Another reoccurring flaw I've already noticed is how they've put the hood latch all the way there. But it's okay. You have to pull it twice in order for the hood to open, so that's already precaution. But wouldn't it be better to leave it here? You'll also have to admire how it's written competition right here. M4 competition. So, my conclusion about the BMW M4. My conclusion about the BMW M4 is that it's a car that's built for the performance rather than the luxury or any other forms. It's taken driving pleasure to a step where you're aiming to burn the rubber on the tarmac. My personal opinion of the BMW M4, I love the BMW M4. I really do. I like it. You know, I actually like the BMW M4. It's very nice, but just my sole opinion is that it's too performance oriented. So it's not really a daily use vehicle. You know, it's something you'd use as a toy car. You'd have fun with it, burn the rubbers, you know, go wild and crazy while you can. Enjoy life to the fullest with this M4.